Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a Tumblr account on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. First, you just need to create a Tumblr account. You just need to sign in into with your Google account or with your email ID. I just go with my Google account first. So after selecting the Google account, you just need to confirm your birthday date here. So your date of birth, you can just go with your date of birth here. So I just going to put a random date of birth because for this is an example. So just setting up the date and also the month. So and click on the agree option and click on the next option now. And now you just need to select your username here. So I just go with my name, Tilak, and I just going to add some numbers. So it will be easy. And just click on the next option, and then so okay, the username has been selected. Now you have to select some of the trending topics with you have this follow, or you can just find the tag. I just go with the tag like tech and just technology and some tech options here. And then after choosing this, I just need to add another thing. So we go with gadgets. Yeah, of course, there's a gadgets option here, tags here. So and click on the next option after selecting the tags. Then find your people. So you can just follow a random people or the people you just needed. So I just go with some autistic thing and click on the next option. So now your account has been fully opened and you can just browse the post, and this is your Tumblr account. And this is how you just create your Tumblr account on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.